welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands, and today we're going to make this gorgeous paper mosaic. And I've made this based on the blue flax flower, which is what linen is made from. And down in the McWilliam sculpture gallery you will see the most amazing ceramic sculptures of these little blue flowers made by local artist Trevor Woods. So let's have a look to see what we need to make our own paper mosaic. You need some nice colourful paper. So I've got a nice selection of different colours here. Don't worry if you don't have coloured paper. You can always get white paper and just paint it. You need stick glue, and you might need a pencil or a pen to draw out the outline of your picture in. That's it. We're ready to start. The first thing we want to do is to draw a little outline of our picture that we're going to make a mosaic of. Now I've done the outline of a flax flower, but you could do the outline of anything you like. You could do a fish, you could do a bug, you could do a tree, or you could do something really complicated. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to draw out a nice little flower here. So I've got the centre, and then I'm going to do lots of nice big petals. And there you go, I've done an outline of a nice flower here. The next thing we want to do is to get our glue stick and just to put a little bit of glue. So I'm going to do the petals first. So I'm just going to glue my petals up. So I'm now going to put on some blue mosaic, but I need to make that first. So I'm going to take my blue piece of paper and I'm going to rip it into a strip. Just like that. Doesn't have to be particularly neat. Just a couple of nice strips. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rip those up into tiny little squares or little tiles. And I've done this earlier. I've got lots of little ones here for me to start working with. All you need to do next is just to stick them down to your nice sticky gluey bit. That's the first petal done, and now I'm going to continue to do the rest. And there you go. There's my flower done. So next I'm going to do my stem, which is going to be green. There's the green stem, and now I'm going to put a bit of yellow in the middle. Now, to finish this off, what I'm going to do is do a background. And what I'd quite like to do is, I think, some nice orange and pink and red just to set this off. It'll be similar to my picture here. Okay, so I've already pre-cut these, and I'm just going to go mad and do them all in random colours so it's a nice bright background so that my flower will just pop out. There we go! A beautiful paper mosaic. Some of them have just fallen down, but you can stick them back in. And it's as simple as that. Please share some of your creations with us using the hashtag #FEArtschool. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!